Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you yet another Python data visualization library for plotting charts from raw data. So in this example we are taking a simple example of data which is there inside the CSV file. We have two columns, name and age. So we have written this Python script. So once I execute this, it will generate this HTML web charts using this data. So as I execute this, you will see on the left hand side it will create a folder which will contain the HTML file right here. So this is your HTML charts, web charts which are generated if you directly open this file in the browser. So your charts will look something like this. This is your basic bar chart. So you can see, then we have the line chart, the scatter chart. All these charts are supported. And the package which we are talking about this is Bokeh, Bokeh. So this is actually a very famous library which interactively charts are generated directly in the browser from Python. So this is actually the package. Simply install this by executing this command. So it's an open source package. So after that, just create a simple app.py file. I have given all the source code in the description of the video. So now to get started here, you simply first of all require the pandas package as well. Import this as well, install this, and then from this package which is bokeh.plotting, we need to import the figure, the output file. These are various methods which are there inside this package. And then it also contains this layouts property as well. From this we need to import column and the operating system modules. After importing all these packages, now we need to read the CSV file. For reading it, we use the pandas library which contains this function read CSV, and we actually pass the actual file, and then we make the actual directory, the output directory. So after making this, we will create this HTML charts file. So we'll simply use this function of output file which we are importing it right here. This will create a web chart for us inside your directory output slash. And you pass the extension right here, which the title, you can even customize the title as well. So after doing this, we will be exporting each chart here. First of all, your bar chart, which looks something like this. You provide the values here, which is your name, the height of the chart, everything, the name and age. Similarly, we provide the line chart and the scatter chart as well. So then after that, we print out that all your charts have been generated. So if you go to the terminal, simply run this, you will see it will generate this output file. So nice thing is that you can even customize the look and appearance of it. So here we are providing the color to be sky blue. I can even change this to any other color which is blue. This I can change to red and this one to yellow. You can customize the look and appearance as well. You can also customize the size as well, the height, each and every property. So also check out my website which is freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.